Hello everyone, and today I'm gonna be playing Piggy Traumatic Experiences. Now we're gonna be doing part 4 of the Howling Haunt Ghostly Graveyard. Okay, now it's the Reaper. Quest 1. Activate 6 tombstone traps and Budgie's experience. Alright, I'm up for it. But not down for it. I'm just gonna turn on the low graphics. They should make my vision a lot easier. And now, let me go around a stroll in the park to look for a trap. Whoa! Here's one! A skeleton somehow hopped out of that trap without even digging a hole. In my vision, that didn't make sense. I'm just gonna continue looking for traps. I can hear the bot's footsteps! There's something called eardrum annoyance, and you're causing it right now. What? No! I woke up and now it's more! Peace at last. Finally. After causing me suffering, he's finally left. By the way, why open doors if you can just walk through them, right? Right? Locked? Oh. And now, just like that, back door and front door are open. Here, another tombstone trap. And now, here's a blue key. But what's up there? Nothing useful for now. And it needs a candle for here. So, I guess it isn't my thing. Let me now go and open the blue key door. Wait. A hammer. That's obviously for the lighthouse there. Boom, boom, boom. That's Dakota! Budgie, you're alive. What are you doing here? Dakota, it's so good to see a familiar face around here. The crew and I ran out. How about that? I don't have to read it because I'm not playing chapter, just doing a quest. More explanation when I play this chapter. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. Okay, I'll just pause this. Skip it. I'll jump through time. Because with editing, hours take seconds. And now Dakota has finally finished talking. What a waste of time. Okay, back to high graphics. Think that high graphics are supposed to help me see the traps better. Whoa! Purple key. Help! Help! Me, please! Come on! Take him down for me! What are you doing? And now I have a purple key. No, another one of. Oh, there's a trap. I can't let myself get caught by this Wait. The monster must have disappeared by now. Yeah. I'm just gonna go through here. Just like this. Wait. And to the floor up higher. A potion? Is this why I got up here? No! I know the theme is great and all, but it's causing me eardrum suffering. Have to play on headphones, you know. Oh! I guess now it's 2 traps remaining. It's obvious! Stop causing me eardrum suffering. And yeah, there's Dakota, just laying around. There we go. That's the dynamite door. And Oh! Another trap. Hi, Mr. Skelly. Is this an actually white? This skeleton is actually white, like real skeletons. Oh, a candle. I'm just gonna use it to light up the path. Now I've got some light. I can see clearly. No, it's that annoying shark. Yeah, here we go. I'll go to make sure that dark room becomes seeable. Here we go. There's barely any light in here. Just like that. Here's a dynamite. Oh, dynamite and a wrench. I'll use the dynamite first, even though I know where both go. Since the dynamite go. I have a really amazing view now. Oh, hi. Hi. No, I woke up that police officer. I need to quickly go and there we go. That room's open. Coin. Let me see what's up there first. Whoa, there's the last trap. I'm done. Whoa, ho. Now we are back to quest 2. Construct the Raper mask in Act 1 of Z and Zeus's experience. Wait, those experiences are divided by acts? I'm sure it'll be amazing when I play it. There we go. Oh, hi Z. Yeah, Z must be you, I guess. There's whoever that. I'll just call him Rashford. Z! May you please help me take out this monster? There we go. To red key. Oh, doors is here. A chalk? A ritual? Did I just make a ritual myself? Now what? I think I must look for something to Oh! I have to look for mask pieces. That's an interesting concept. Now, I'm just gonna turn on low graphics. They should help me see better. Oh! Wait a minute. A light. Oh! Now I have to put it on the ritual. Hi Z. That's really nice of you. You decided to help me. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. There's another mask fragment in here. Now let me just input them. And look for the last one. Yeah. Rashford must be getting a B. Oh, the security room. Haven't seen it yet. It had one. Let me go and input it. The mask is complete! There we go! Quest completed! Now it's time for quest 3. Find the tape? Huh? What tape? Let's see. It doesn't say the name of the map, so... Huh? Oh. It's a flashlight. I can barely... And now... Oh, candles. Oh, a red light. But I don't have a purple key. Where could it be? Now, guess I have to look the areas more carefully. I just need to find it. Oh, now? Now what? Now where are you, purple key? Dulu? Yeah, it's so much brighter for me now. Yeah, there's where the safe is. But now, where's the key? Oh, there's a key. Just follow the pathway like this. And this. And that. Oh, that's where it came from. Guess we'll just turn it on back to high graphics. There we go. I found the tape. That's the Reaper's Cave. Oh, this needs a tape? Let me input it. The TV is on. What do I do now? Time without troubles? Wait, this is a VHS. Why is the music so loud? Yeah, now it feels normal. What's at the end? Have I reached the end yet? It feels like I made it to the end. It feels like I reached the end. Error. What's behind? troubles. I didn't believe you. Now, let's just do the bonus quest. Now, there we go. Bonus quest 1. Activate 10 tombstone traps in Budgie's experience. This should be really easy. Here we go. Here's bonus quest 1. Should be easier than its origin. It's easier. Where's that annoying shark? I'm just gonna open this door. And get the red key right there. It's like this. And open the red door. Oh, there's one here. That's a new place. Yeah, 9 of them are remaining now. It's unlocked. There we go. That place is old. Time to take a blue key and open the blue door. And that's a purple key. Where's the shark? Need to make sure he doesn't see me. There he is! And I found a trap! Why does that car light it in purple like that? There's the orange key door. I know I'm having hearing loss right now, but I'll just ignore it. I guess. Oh! There's a trap here. You must have awakened it. Oh! I awakened an NPC. Yeah, good boy. Now, the hammer. I should just go and open the hammer door, I guess. Boom, boom, boom. And I'm in. I'll just skip the talk. Oh, never mind. I found a trap here. Now I'm gonna skip the talk. Okay, the boring talk is finished now. I'll just continue why I came here. Nothing behind the lighthouse? Is there anything right here in the middle of the Is there anything near the Is there any trap near the cars? Let me see. Until now, no. Wait a second. Is that William? Okay. I'm just gonna continue looking. There we go. Right in here. There's no trap. No! That's annoying. Finally. A trap! No! I'm gonna go and place a plank. I'm gonna go and do the plank. Get it? There's that one there's that one exercise called plank. We and very huh? If it's not there, then it must be somewhere else. Oh! There you are, sneaky trap! I found you! Let me just go and get the candle, I guess. And light up my way. Because it's a candle after all. What? Now that's just fire! There we go. He left. He did. He like let me off the hook. That's nice. Now let me go and brighten up the darkness in here. There's a trap. Just one more. And this time, I know that the trap is behind the wrench door. Those pesky traps. They think we always can hide. Wait a second. After that one, there'll only be one remaining, so I guess I have one remaining. Wait. Boom! I am correct. Let me just return back to the room next door. I'm just gonna return to the building next door. Right here. And make sure that I get the dynamite and it blows up the entrance to the balcony. There we go. So yeah, I didn't miss that trap. Just one more. It's just one more. There we go. 3, 2, 1, boom! Let me go and open the orange door now. I woke up that infected. Leave my assistant. Do your job. Take this infected down for me. Wait. There's no trap here? Yeah. There's no trap there. So just let me go and... There we go. There's a yellow key. It's on the outside. I wonder what it gives me. Okay, guys. Oh, the key code. I'll just go to the orange area. Ding. Now it's open. And there's nothing in there. So it must be in the outskirts, as I like to call it. Yeah, the outskirts of the city. Out of all the buildings. Like, I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, nothing. Okay, not here, not there. Not here. Oh wait, I know where it could be. Maybe in the insanely huge pile of cars. Here. What if I find the remaining trap here? Yeah, no, it's not there. Okay, not here. So, where is it? Okay. Luckily for me, I have already completed it. So, I'm just gonna leave. Okay, let's just do bonus quest 2. It's just like quest 2. But 6 parts. Nothing too much different. Okay, there's whoever that guy is. I'll just call him Rashford, as I said. And now, just let me open the PIA building. Here we go. Orange key. I mean red key. Wait. It's like this. That must have been Z. Giving Officer Rashford a good old beat up. And now, just let me remove the plane. And now, just let me... Okay. The ritual started. Okay, here's piece 1 out of 6. And boom, it's placed. Just need to find 5 more pieces. The purple lights should help me. There we go. Here's 1. Just keep it in my pocket. There's another. There we go. Let me just see what's at the start and in the PIA. Oh! Hi, Prince Peace. So you decided to make yourself look royal by sitting on a chair. Funniest thing ever. Let me just place them all. 2. Oh, it's only 1 is remaining. I'm sure I do know where the last one is. Oh, there it is. Let me just go and place it, and then this quest completed. There we go! The mask is made! Now just let me see my morphs quickly. Morphs? Exclusive? By the way, I changed my avatar, guys. Reaper! There you are, Reaper! Look at this masterpiece! Here we go, stun. It's amazing! Let me see the bonus skin. I guess it's called Scorched Reaper. This is a lot cooler. I know it is pretty much the same, but the colors work a lot better on this. Same stun? Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. I hope you enjoyed. Bye!